Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a quick video. The other day they brought us an automatic BMW, an old model, an E46 with 150 horsepower. Well, but this is useful for automatic cars in general. The problem with that vehicle is that it didn't drive very well, and when accelerating, it changed gears very quickly. What was happening? Well, speaking with a gearbox specialist, he says that this could be a problem with the gearbox oil. The oil, the filter, would have to be changed. Which could be that there is a problem there, and that is why the gearbox does not work as it should. What happens? It goes into the machine and the machine does not show any fault. Then, you change the oil and the filter, as the specialist says, and everything is the same. In the end, the problem was with the map sensor. What was happening? That the map sensor was dirty. I will leave you a link that I made about a sensor, on function and others of the map sensor. The hole where it has to calculate was dirty, the air pressure that is in the intake manifold, and it did not calculate it, so the AQ did not know, since it did not have that exact information. It does not know the amount of fuel that it has to inject, so it injected more fuel. The car, it goes as if in a hurry, but walking less, as I say, and changing more, of course. It was also noticeable that fuel consumption skyrocketed, and I already said that this did not occur in any of the machines. There was no map sensor fault, and that was the fault. It was cleaning it, not changing it, cleaning the map sensor, and the car was like new, as if they had suddenly added 50 horsepower to the car, and already, the gears stretched them more. That gearbox, it stretched the marches more, and I already say that it walked more, and the consumption was reduced. I'm telling you, in case you have an automatic car and you see that this happens to you, especially in BMW, even Mercedes and in all kinds of vehicles, before checking if it is going to be an oil problem, that it has a lower oil level, or that it is already very used and that it has lost properties and that is why it fails, do the test of cleaning the map sensor first, and if you see that you have it in bad condition, well, change it, put another one. Which I already told you, that it will be much cheaper than changing the oil and others. Well, here I leave you this video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.